Hi guys, another part of this wonderful portrait challenge. Basically, it's a challenge of me doing from a cat to a neon owl, and that is just so exciting. And this is part 2. I wasn't able to do a lot because I had to do something already, but don't worry. I honestly think that my next grind of this challenge will be around at, I'm not sure, next week, but let's cross our fingers and hope that we can finish it by Tuesday, because that is just gonna be so exciting and so cool weekend with my Tuesday. So yeah, I'm still gonna do a voice over, but let's start. So over here, I was just trying to trade my sea angel for any two uncommon, but normally I was just looking for 2 pets or 2 good pets for it. And honestly, if I did it the first time and nobody traded me, I'm actually going to like crash out. But this time I didn't, so I just kept on typing. I can't copy because it's going to tag. I don't know why it's like that. If we just copy and paste, it's just going to. And somebody came up to me and I was still typing because I was fighting for my life here, okay? Oh, there we go. We got a trade request. I was just so happy that we got a trade request. So, oh, they decline. Oh my goodness, I hate that. But somebody traded me as well. So, yeah, at this point, I was so shocked. Like, when I got this, I was like so shocked. Like, first of all, for me, this is a win because a bunny, yeah, it's cute and it's from the retired ad because it was already long gone. And the mer horse was before the sea angels. So honestly, just for the mer horse, it was already like fair or a win, and it just might get a massive win with the bunny. And of course, I didn't forget to take. So of course, I favorite both the bunny and mer horse, but not gonna lie, I do miss my sea angel because honestly, I don't know, they just look cute. Like honestly, I would probably get a leg of these because they are just so cute. And I decided, I don't think I'm gonna trade the missile troll because I think this will be like my grinding test. I do not know, because I honestly want to make a new missile troll, so I just decided to myself, this will be my grinding pet and I will not like give it away or something. So here's me. I was just grinding for gingerbread here because honestly, at this point, I was just thinking of what else to trade, if I should trade my sea angels and what else should I trade. So I just decided to take a little gingerbread rest, so I'm gonna speed this up. I don't really think I'm going to be talking anymore, and I'm going to speed the process of what I did on my portrait challenge. And honestly, you could probably use this while you're grinding or while you're trying to do the challenge as well. And comment down below on what other challenges I should do. By the way, remember guys that doing the portrait challenge requires some skills, so I recommend you to try to watch tutorials or just continue watching what I'm doing right now. And if you want, you can guys comment on just comment the word help, or just comment Oh, I would love to get top tips from you, which is me. I can definitely go and give you my TikTok, and you're gonna give your TikTok to me, and we're gonna communicate on how it's gonna be simpler for you. And you never know, maybe we even might be friends. So just comment.